Today we are exploring the topic of the top 7 best AI tools for data analysts, which is a type of data analysis that uses machine learning to process large amounts of data to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. Starting with the number 7, IBM Watson Analytics. IBM Watson Analytics is IBM's AI-powered data analytics and visualization tool that enables users to uncover insights, make data-driven decisions, and automate data processes. At the number 6, KNIME. KNIME is an open-source data analytics platform that allows users to visually design data workflows, perform advanced analytics, and deploy machine learning models. At the number 5, Alteryx. Alteryx is a self-service data analytics platform that combines data preparation, blending, and advanced analytics capabilities to empower users to deliver insights faster. At the number 4, DataRobot. DataRobot is an automated machine learning platform that helps organizations build, deploy, and manage predictive models without extensive programming or data science expertise. At the number 3, RapidMiner. RapidMiner is an open-source data science platform that provides a wide range of tools for data preparation, machine learning, and predictive analytics. At the number 2, Power BI. Power BI is a Microsoft business analytics tool that enables users to visualize and analyze data, create interactive reports and dashboards, and share insights across organizations. At the number 1, Tableau. Tableau is a powerful data visualization and business intelligence platform that helps users analyze and share insights from various data sources.